Hello children, welcome to today's section. Children, in our last lecture video, we were discussed about how to form number patterns. So today, let us learn about how to form tiling patterns. Okay, see, tiling patterns are made by shapes that fit in with each other without leaving a gap. Okay, tiles of different colors makes the pattern look more beautiful. You can see these tiling patterns on your floor. Okay, it is made up of small tiles. Clear? So here I am showing some examples to show the concept of tiling patterns. Okay children, so look at these pictures. Here I am showing 4 patterns. Then in each picture, some shapes are arranged in a way to form some patterns. Look at the first picture. Here, each shape is a 5-sided shape. Okay, then it is called pentagon. Okay, each shape is called pentagon. You can see 5 sides for each shape. Okay, then all these pentagons are arranged in a way to form these tiling patterns. All are tightly arranged. No gap between the shapes. Clear? Then on the second picture, you can see the shapes are arranged like a flower. And these flowers are arranged tightly to form one pattern. Okay, children? Then, what do you see in the third picture? Yes, it's a 8-sided shape. Okay, this one is called octagon. Okay, octagon means 8. Then you can also see one square. Then these octagons and squares are tightly arranged to form a pattern. Clear? Then the last picture, you can see the pentagons and squares. Okay, these are arranged to form another pattern. So these are the examples for tiling patterns. So when you form a tiling patterns, you can see the basic shapes. All these shapes you can tightly arrange them. Okay, all the shapes can fit with each other without leaving a gap. Then these shapes will form a tiling patterns. Clear? So next we can look at our exercise on page number 64. Here the question is to match the pattern with the tiles used to make it. So look at the first one. Okay, see in here some squares are arranged. Okay, and the squares are divided into 2. Okay, so this is a symmetrical line. Okay, so this line forms 2 triangles and the upper triangle is colored, lower triangle is not colored. Okay, so here which is the right answer? Yes, this one is the right answer. Then second question also made up of triangle. Okay, this pattern is also made up of triangle. Then you can find out which is the right answer. Yes, this one is the right answer. Then third picture, you can match the pattern with the correct tile. Yes, here the tile is colored with green color, so you can match with the third one. Then next one, okay, it's a hexagon shape and it is colored with the blue color. Then which is the right one? Yes, this one is the right one. Okay, so children, you have to do the same exercise on page number 64. Okay, also do exercise on page number 65 and 66. Okay, then take a snap and send into sgps3olans@gmail.com. Okay, then on our next lecture video, I will explain our next lesson, understanding division. Okay, division is a good concept for sharing. So before starting this division, we have to refresh all the multiplication tables. Okay, so children, don't forget to study the multiplication tables. Okay, then only you can do the division properly. Okay, then see you again with division concept. Till then, bye. Thank you.